How to make a sword in the post-apocalypse. I've seen plenty of videos like this that have like an AI-generated character, ChatGPT-generated script, and they're all just wrong. They say grab some metal, heat it up, hit it with a rock, and then rub it against a stone, and then boom, ChatGPT-generated joke that's not even funny about the quality of your sword. And that's all not going to teach you how to make a sword in the post-apocalypse. So how would you? Number one, why? A big reason swords got popular is because they were really convenient to carry. If you're not focused entirely on that point and just want something for combat, then like a spear, a knife, a club, a hammer, an axe, they're all going to be probably better for you and significantly easier to make. Number two, you can't just grab any metal and then make a sword out of it. Different steels have different qualities, each requiring different heatings and would have different mechanical properties on your blade, etc. Luckily, a lot of tools are 1045 steel, so they could work for a blade, but then if you use this, you don't have a hammer anymore. And if you, right now, don't know about blacksmithing, then you're pretty much going back to square one. Medieval sword level, if you're lucky. I'm sure right now you're thinking, but Marcus, I know steel quality now is a lot better, but in the medieval times, their weapons worked for a while, so it would be just fine. Listen to me, they were working on 1,000 years of metallurgical experience. You don't have that. I don't have that. You're not going back to our square one, you're going back to their square one. You just probably have more raw materials available. Well, maybe you'll be square two after watching this video, because the next point, the fire, you're not going to be able to just throw metal on a fire and have it work. It needs to be a hot enough fire in order to work the metal, in order to get it red hot, in order to get it malleable with a hammer. Hammerable. And that would require a properly set up fire with something pushing air into it, like bellows or a hairdryer or something. You need more than just fire in order to make that. And then once you're done heating that up and then making a blade shape out of it, you need to quench and then you need to temper. I would get into specifics in this video, but those specifics would be dependent on the exact type of steel, which you don't know. So this would be a lot of guesswork. And then you gotta sharpen it, which would take a long time without tools, but it's good to remember that the more time you spend shaping the blade into like an edge shape, that's saving you time on the sharpening step because it's thinner, but then that might have some issues with quenching. It's complicated. And that's really the thing. You want a sword, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be a lot of trial and error. This isn't something that you do if you're in need of a weapon right now. This is like post-apocalyptic stuff when you're already established. I get it, AI stuff is easy, but oftentimes it's just wrong.